Hey everyone, Kyle here. Today we'll cover a step-by-step guide on how to start an LLC in the US for non-US residents, including the key steps, important compliance requirements, and how to get your business up and running quickly. If you'd rather have someone else handle the complex process for you, skip ahead to the end of this video. I'll be sharing a special offer where you can form your LLC for just $39 with Northwest Registered Agent, saving you both time and money. Now, let's jump right into step 1. So step 1, choose your state. First things first, you need to choose the state where you'll form your LLC. For non-US residents, Wyoming and Delaware are two of the most popular choices. Why? Wyoming offers great privacy, low cost, and simplicity, while Delaware, on the other hand, is known for its strong legal protections and business-friendly laws. If you're running an online business with no physical presence in the US, Wyoming is a great option. At Northwest Registered Agent, we can help you set up quickly and privately in Wyoming. But if you have family or other ties in states like Florida, that could also be a good choice since you can save money by using a family member's address as your registered agent. And then step number 2, choose a registered agent. No matter which state you choose, you'll need a registered agent with a local address in that state to receive legal documents. That is where Northwest Registered Agent comes in. We offer fast, reliable, and complete private registered agent services. It's critical to choose a trusted company to handle this. It's an essential part of keeping your LLC compliant. There are tons of company out there, but at Northwest Registered Agent, we don't sell your data and ensure everything is done right for only $39. Check out the link in the description to get started today. And now, step number 3 would be to file your LLC. Now it's time to form your LLC. This process differs slightly depending on the state, but the general steps are the same. After choosing your registered agent, you'll need to provide basic information about your business, such as the name of your LLC, the business address, the name of the members, and your business principal activity, and there might be more depending on the state. Most states have an online filing system, so you can typically do this from anywhere. If you're filing in Wyoming, for an example, this process can be completed in just a few days. But with Northwest Registered Agent, you can have this process simplified with this one right here. All you have to do is just provide the details right here. You don't have to find your state's filing system in order for you to file your LLC. You can just do it here from Northwest Registered Agent, and we will handle the rest for you. And now, step number 4, get an EIN or Employer Identification Number. Once your LLC is filed, the next crucial step is to obtain an Employer Identification Number. This is like a social security number for your business, allowing you to open bank accounts, process payments, and comply with tax requirements. For non-US residents, this can be a tricky step. Many filing companies will simply mail your SS4 form, which could take weeks, but don't worry, Northwest Registered Agent can help you get your EIN faster. You'll need to participate in the process, but we'll guide you through step by step to make sure it's done correctly. Once your LLC is set up, you'll need to stay compliant with US regulation, particularly the Corporate Transparency Act and any state-specific requirements. As of 2024, this includes filing with FinCEN to disclose your LLC's beneficial ownership, which is essentially providing information about who owns the LLC. Additionally, you must file your annual tax returns by either March 15th or April 15th. Depending on how your LLC is structured. You may also need to file a BAA form for international reporting purposes. At Northwest Registered Agent, we can assist you with these compliance requirements to ensure you don't miss any important deadlines. So that is basically it. Whether you're setting up in Wyoming or Delaware or in any other states, starting an LLC in the US as a non-resident doesn't have to be complicated. If you want to save time and avoid headaches, let Northwest Registered Agent handle it for you. Click the link in the description to get started today. That is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.